When you're working through a complex email forensics case, the analysis that Measure provides is only part of the picture. Now, sometimes you need to capture your own thinking, which could be something like a hunch, an observation, or a note for a teammate. And that's exactly what the notes feature is for. Now, on any analyzed email within a case, you'll notice a notes button right here. You can click on that and then you can add whatever you want, your own interpretation of your findings, a question that needs follow-up, context you have, or a message to a teammate working on the same case. Now, once a note has been added, this email cells button here will turn orange. It's a simple visual signal, but an important one, because now anyone on your team browsing through the case will immediately know that a particular email has a human observation attached to it, not just system analysis. Now, this pairs naturally with this flag button, which you see right here, which allows you to tag any email as key evidence, supporting evidence, contradictory evidence, or inconclusive. Now, together, flagging and notes give you two layers of signal management. The flag tells your team how much weight to give an email, and the note tells them why. So when you're sifting through dozens or sometimes even hundreds of emails trying to separate signal from noise, that combination keeps everyone on the same page without having to have extra conversations. So that's the notes feature within Measure. It's short and simple, but when you're deep in a case, it's the kind of thing that you'll find yourself using constantly. Okay, so I hope you found this valuable, and I'll see you over in the next one.